What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see on the sign here, we're heading to Christmas Lake today. This is located in the Cariboo region of British Columbia, Canada. We spent the weekend up in my cabin. I've been wanting to get to this lake for some time now, and I finally had the opportunity to. Now, we're going to be doing something a little bit different with this video. I'm going to be doing a little bit of voiceover work, and that's because there's a few things I'd like to point out to you during the video that I think this would be easier to communicate than typing in the description below. So I'll be in and out through the video. I hope you enjoy. We'll catch up with you afterwards. Alright guys, we're putting the DJI Spark in the air here, and we're going to be flying it out over the lake and checking out this view. As you can see right away, the fish are jumping there, and we're going to be seeing that throughout the video. What's awesome about this lake is I was the only one there. There was nobody else around, just myself and my drone having some fun. As you guys can see, that's all thunderstorms in the background. I was very fortunate to be able to get this flight in. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to. There was on and off storms all day in the area, and we're going to do a 360 here coming up, and you're going to see I'm pretty much completely surrounded by thunderstorm activity. That's downpour rain in the background. It was absolutely crazy. There are several lakes in the area. I did not realize how many lakes were actually in this area. We're looking towards the biggest lake of the area there, Cannon Lake. Everything else, I'm going to have to look on a map and check out and see what it is, and we might be visiting some of those lakes as well in the near future. So there's a reason why I've got the camera facing down towards my truck there. I was having a bit of an issue, and you're going to see coming up here shortly what was going on. I wasn't having an issue with the drone, but those thunderstorms were rolling in fast, and we had some severe weather come in all of a sudden without warning. So here I'm bringing it down, and I put the camera back on the lake to show you what was going on. And as I get a little bit lower here, you're going to see the intensity of the wind. There were crazy wind gusts that all of a sudden just came out of nowhere. Actually started raining, and we might have seen a little bit of that in the video. Right now it's not raining. We do have more fish jumping, as you can see. But look at the wind coming across the water there. Unbelievable, the intensity of the wind. You're going to see the trees as well as I'm coming down are just blowing like crazy. I couldn't believe, I have a very small area to get this drone down, and I was worried I was going to have an issue getting it down. As you can see, the wind gusts were just crazy. And it wasn't so bad in the air. It was when I was coming down is when the wind was actually worse towards the ground level than it was up in the air. But we managed to get down and no damage to anything, and we had a good flight regardless. Alright guys, we're on the way home now, back to the cabin. As you can see, the rain is happening. We got out of there just in the nick of time. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, I'd really appreciate hit that subscribe button before you head out. And remember, don't be a stranger. We'll see you on the next one. See ya!